Hey guys, Adam and Emily here, and on this cold morning we will be hiking Mount Jackson. So we are parked on the side of Route 302 in Crawford Notch, and we're getting ready to head up the trail.
It's a pretty short hike. It's only 2.6 miles to the summit, and it's only about 2,100 feet of elevation.
The Webster Jackson Trail definitely wastes no time starting to gain elevation pretty quickly, but the nice part is the lower half of the trail is a mix of flat sections, then steep sections, then flat again. So that's been really helpful.
So we made it to the junction. So we've gone 1.4 miles and gained about 900 feet of elevation. So we still have 1.1 miles to go to the summit of Mount Jackson, but it's going to be about 1,100 feet of elevation. Getting close to the summit. It's definitely getting cold. We're pretty sweaty, so we'll need to change soon and put on some warm layers.
Because of how cold and windy and wet it is, we've gotten quite a bit frosty. Emily's got gray hair these days. All right, we're getting ready to push above tree line here as we're just below the summit of Mount Jackson. Unfortunately, the weather kind of changed on us. It was supposed to be sunny, but clouds blowing in and it got really windy, but we're still having a good time. All right, we reached the summit of Mount Jackson. Usually looking this way, you can see the entire presidential range, but all these clouds and wind blowing in, no views today. Alright, so we waited at the summit for a little bit because the clouds looked like they were about to blow out, and looks like it's starting to clear slightly. You can see Mr. Washington right there. Some of the other presidentials are still in the clouds, but at least we got some views now.
Well, that was definitely a really nice hike. We're happy that we were able to get a glimpse of some views. This is definitely a really good hike to do if you're short on time, whereas it only took us about 4 hours, a little under altogether.
So thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please check out our other videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also be sure to check out our website, twopeopleoneadventure.com.